Hi, and welcome to Trendy Natural Remedies. Today I'm going to tell you why watermelons are nature's Viagra alternative. Did you know that watermelons are natural aphrodisiacs? Stress and other environmental factors can affect men's sexual performance, leaving them and their partners dissatisfied. It can spiral down to feelings of further anxiety and discontent. That's why people resort to medication and clinical aphrodisiacs to improve their desire and sexual function. But what if a homemade solution can do the same thing without any unwanted side effects? This watermelon recipe can naturally help in increasing your libido and firing up your sexual feelings. Moreover, it prepares your body for intercourse by supplying you with nutrients and energizing you with electrolytes. You'll just need a watermelon and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Here's how to make your own Viagra at home. 1. Cut the watermelon into small cubes. It's optional, but it can help if you remove the seeds. 2. Put the cubes into a blender and blend until you get a smooth juice. Continue adding watermelon until you reach a liter of it. 3. Pour the juice into a pot and place on medium heat. Allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. This will make the watermelon release lycopene, which is essential to the formula. 4. Pour in a glass of pure lemon juice and mix well. 5. Mix the juices constantly. Let it boil until it's about half the original amount. Your goal is to make a thick and concentrated mixture. 6. Turn off the heat and set aside until it cools down to room temperature. 7. Pour the juice into a clean pitcher or container. Store it in the refrigerator and drink the mixture twice a day. Take it with an empty stomach first thing in the morning and once more in the evening. If you are not yet comfortable with the taste, you can start with 2 tablespoons or a third of a cup per serving until you can take a full glass. Watermelons are rich in citrulline and lycopene that make it an amazing fruit for sexual health. Citrulline is an amino acid that's naturally present in the body, but the levels may sometimes not be enough for optimal sexual performance. Citrulline dilates and relaxes the blood vessels, particularly around the male reproductive organ. This improves blood circulation in that area, resulting in longer and firmer erections. It improves the performance of your circulatory system too, for increased drive and energy. On the other hand, lycopene is a powerful antioxidant. It improves the health of your heart, arteries, and prostate gland. Lycopene can also reduce the risks of prostate cancer for aging males. Just an important reminder, you need to reduce your intake of salts and sugars. High levels of these in your blood can reduce the effects of the natural aphrodisiac. Too much sugar in the body can cause inflammation of your blood vessels. Similarly, too much salt can make your muscles absorb excess water. Both of these can negatively affect your circulatory system. For best results, drink this watermelon Viagra on a regular basis and combine it with a healthy diet. Regular exercise can help a lot too. Moreover, it can be taken by both men and women, since its health benefits are not just restricted to the male body. Regardless of sex and age, this watermelon and lemon recipe can surely increase your sexual drive and potency. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more great videos from Trendy Natural Remedies.